Most people spend 40 years working for money. But a small group of students in India, some still in school, some just out of class 12, figured out how to make money work for them. Not by getting lucky, not by some secret trick, but by starting early, staying consistent, and knowing exactly which doors to open first. This video is going to show you exactly what they did, and by the end, you're going to have a clear step-by-step roadmap to start building passive income. Even if you're a student with zero money, zero experience, and zero connections. But here's the catch. Most of the advice you've heard before, it won't work for you. And I'm going to tell you why. Right after this. Search results for student money usually point towards surveys or freelance gigs. This flowchart maps the reality of those choices. On the left, you see an active income loop where time dictates your earnings. When you stop working, the money stops. The right side shows a passive trend line that grows independently of your daily schedule. Real passive income doesn't care about your schedule. It's the revenue that keeps hitting your account while you're stuck in a packed train heading home for the valley, or sitting through an hour university lecture. Start with the knowledge you already possess. If you spent the last 2 years cracking a brutal exam, you now hold the strategy millions of younger students are looking for. You don't need upfront capital to get started. You simply need to build a mechanism that transfers your existing experience, like finishing class 12, directly to the student currently stressing out in class 10. The most effective mechanism you can build is content. This diagram shows a central media file, branching out to search queries. When you upload a video or a PDF guide solving one specific problem, discovery algorithms turn it into a 247 digital employee. People can search for it and find your solution months or even years down the line. There is a massive gap in the market right now for this exact content in regional languages. Explaining a complex topic clearly in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, or Bengali gives you immediate leverage over creators sticking only to English. Once you have that content working for you, you introduce the second layer, affiliate marketing. You identify a tool or product that solves your audience's problem, share a tracking link, and earn a cut of the sale without ever handling shipping or customer service. You don't need a massive audience to make this math work. A student in Pune set up a Telegram channel reviewing budget laptops. By the time he hit 4,000 subscribers, recommending laptops via Amazon affiliate links was generating steady commission every single month. By pairing a permanent piece of searchable content with a targeted affiliate link, you break the connection between the hours you work and the money you make. Let's put this into practice right now. I want you to pause this video and physically write down 2 things. One topic you understand deeply, and one product you could recommend to someone learning it. If you want to sell your own physical goods without holding stock, you use print on demand. You upload a simple design to a platform. When a customer orders a t-shirt or a mug, the platform prints it, boxes it up, and ships it out. You collect a royalty while never touching a warehouse. The next path is digital products. You build an asset like an Excel tracker or a study guide one single time, and the file can be downloaded by an infinite number of buyers. There is huge demand in the Indian market right now for low-cost practical tools. A J study schedule or a budget planner priced at 99 rupees generates pure profit after the first sale because the cost to reproduce the file is 0. These specific strategies work incredibly well for students because they bypass traditional roadblocks. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to rent a storefront. And you don't need upfront capital to test an idea. The highest earning creators layer these 4 strategies to build the stack. Content draws an audience and builds trust. Affiliate links generate early cash flow. Digital products solve specific problems. And print-on-demand merchandise builds a community. Launch this 30-day schedule. Week 1, create focused content. Week 2, embed an affiliate link. Week 3, brainstorm a digital template. Week 4, upload and link it. The only barrier left is the cost of waiting. Start building today.